Welcome to new video. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable comments on your Pinterest pins. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive in. First, grab your Android phone and open the Pinterest app. Ensure you're logged into the correct account so you can manage your pins easily. Next, tap the Saved option at the bottom right of your screen. This is where all your saved pins and boards are located. Once inside, tap on your profile icon at the top left to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Social Permissions option and open it. Here, you'll see that Allow Comments on your pins option. Simply tap to disable it, and just like that, you've successfully blocked comments on your pins. This quick adjustment gives you more control over your content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.